Welcome to our new Photoshop action, Organic Imperfect Watercolor Art action. This is the original photo and this is our script work fully high resolution and work perfectly any size of image. No skill required. Just watch this video. See, first step, your original image and brush the area, and this is our effect looking. And also you can customize, freehand customize possible any type of photography. It's set perfectly. You can brush stroke like more biggest or zoom out like this. So everything is possible. Now I show you how to use it and custom it. Go my download file, there is show brush file, help file. You can read the help file. There is the some information include. You can written format how to use, and this is the brush file we need to load, and action and pattern. How to load brush, select and double click, it's load Photoshop, or you can load manually. Go your Photoshop and go window. We need to load first brush. Go window and the brush option click. Now brush toolbar is show, but brush panel show. So click the more option and the input brush and find out my download file, main file, that is download. You already select and load button click. There is only brush format show. Okay, now brush is loaded. I have click close. Go window and the pattern option click. Now pattern option show and more option click. Same way input the pattern and find out my download file, main file. Download link include my video description. Check out my video description. Select the pattern and load button click. Now it's loaded. It's done, and go window and action option click. This is the final option now. See, the toolbar maybe show the right side, but I have settled it left side. The action panel option, see, and more option click and load option for my script load main file, and select and load button click. Now it's loaded. Up and down option, the last one, select. This is the folder and this is the script. Now go to the folder and open your photography. You can open any type of photography, but this time I have opened this photography for wedding photography style. So if your photography is not enough space, then our brush stroke is not show properly. So this matter, in this matter, I will show the solution, not problem. If you face the problem, you can this is the solution. Okay, crop tool, and already your photography is enough space, so do not do this. Escape this script step and make the space first, and I need to bottom side little space, and top side I think is perfect. Okay, and cropping is okay. Right button click. Now is set, and make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG or layer 0 format. That is not accept our script, so you need to fix it. If your photography is layer 0 format like this or transparent PNG, you need to follow this step. Right button click your mouse, the layer of panel option and layer option and fit and option click. Now is set a lock background layer, and make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, go image mode and RGB. If you follow this step, then avoid all error. Our script working nicely and presenting a new look or your photography next level, creative level. So this is the final requirement or perfect now, and we need to masking purpose selection. So do not use the pen tool path. If you use the pen tool selection purpose, then you must be delete the path. But you can use this shortcut way, nothing else. Use this step as it is my okay. select and select subject button, click. Now select your photography automatically in the select subject option. Sometime it's mistake some area. See the mistake, don't worry about it. You just create a new layer and double click new layer text option and type there BRUSS brush. All are small letter, same my spelling, do not change the spelling. BRUSS brush, all are small letter. Avoid, do not use uppercase, lowercase, mix up character and space, hyphen, comma or other character. Just click this space and its set name is set. Now select the brush tool, the brush, and you can find the general brush section or find out my loaded brush section already there. See, there is the sub brush include and you can brush. Make sure you select the brush layer and brush the area which area need to marks like cut out. So this is easy step, do not there any experience. See, the brushing is very easy, just brush normal way. So I think I need this area we mistake sometime our auto selection, so we can recover it, don't worry about don't think about this. Okay, now brushing is complete. So which area you need to brush? This is freehand customization, so you can brush yourself any of area you need to full area you can fill up the full area. You can use the pen bucket tool. Okay, but this time I have not used the pen bucket tool, I need to portrait. Okay, now our brushing is finished. Then make sure the brush perfectly. Brushing is finished, then selection is on. We need to deselect first, then apply the script. Selection, deselect. Okay, then brush layer is selected, check out, and I have brushed my subject. Select subject, not selected this area, but I have brushed manually this area. Just brush normal way. There is no need to any experience, just brush normal way. Okay, I think done, no mistake now. And select brush layer and the all-in-one play action play me. You can hit the play button, or if you want to avoid the more time, it's come out 30 seconds if your photography is standard. If your photography is look like I have typed there 400, any of area you can type 400 pixel, 3500 pixel or 300 pixel, or you can use any high resolution. This is the standard size 3500 and 400 pixel, and I have clicked the OK button for my video time saving purpose. If I use the more high resolution image, then action needs some time extra. All-in-one play action, this is the select and play button. Now I have hit the play button, click. Now it's working, depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. So this time I have used the classic standard size, and you can, this is freehand, you can use any size. If you use the low resolution size, then it's okay, no does not matter. But on tricks there you can use, first you can update your size. If your photography is low size, then you type there 3500 pixel size, then you can apply our script, then you can back your original size, then you looking is the true good. This is the extra tricks. So done, your creative masterpiece is ready, 100% editable. And that means all are editable, and our supporting information you can contact this info. Okay, and this is the default setting and default result. Okay, we have include there some of effect style, you can check it, the unview layer and everything, and how to control everything. This is the folder, overall effect folder, see, and you can check all layer. There is the separate all layer, so you can custom freely, and how to make PNG transparent for sublimation print. If you want to sublimation print this one, so you need to transparent PNG, no background. You can replace t-shirt, mock paint or wall paint or cushion or others and others. So this is the background color, you just uncheck and background uncheck, and find out the top position. This is the up and down option. Top position, this this is the paper option, just uncheck, and now is transparent PNG format, transparent fully, and you can go file and export, quick export as a PNG if need the PNG. Also you can save the PSD file for transparent format, that is totally depend of you which format you like most. Okay, but this time I have not needed, I just show you. This is the paper option I have included, and background now use, and okay, and there is our option, the option you can select and see the looking. And if you think little biggest you brush stroke, don't think about the quality, because it's HD quality, our all materials, this is our own making. So show transform, the top position transform controller, and you can make it little bigger or more bigger if you think, and tick mark, then it's set, and I show transform off. So you can every layer you can transform and small, biggest, or add or remove. This is the extra option we have decorate purpose. The long brush stroke, see the looking, the change option, and we have include another one, the short version, and you can less the opacity color for do not think the hard looking, so you can do this. This is the tricks, so everything is possible. This is another one, you can hide this for the dropping splash, and our photographic color is refreshed there. So if you want the one color, you can click this option, check out this option, and double click this option, pick the color, any of color, you can replace the on color, green color, okay, any of color. So the soft pastel, I think, okay, if you think you can use this, and the dress color also, okay, button click. But I think my original default setting is perfect for realistic color, real color pick up the photo automatically. Okay, this is the extra option, and you can use it. See the marks option position, and select this marks, the marks position this, and you can add your photography in top color white and change it the color black. You can remove the area, just brush, and make sure you select the marks area. See, okay, now is soft looking purpose, and your realistic background comes. Okay, see the fad looking now, see. So this purpose you can use and marks there and brush the area, and this is the already masking. And another one, another looking, the effect is different, so check it. See another one, this is the another looking and another looking, you can check which one you like most. And another one, see this is the watercolor, but I think I show you the one combination, it's better for you. I have used photo effect 5, and I have used now the photo effect 4, and it's more dark looking but watercolor looking. I less the opacity, then two are combined, two effect and combine, and select the marks. If you think need some of area you remove, you just remove, just marks the selection area and leaves area. Okay, and there is the, I have unchecked now, there is another option, the select this black marks. This photo is the if you want to the realistic looking, like watch it like there, so select this black marks. If you use the black mask, the top color is white needed, and just brush. See your real photography add there, see. And sometime we brush some area to sharpness. This is the sharpness purpose, you can use this to this layer. Okay, so I just leaves area, nose area, and the eye area, and I think it's done. See, now is totally complete your manipulation and your art and watercolor masterpiece. So this is very very time saving pro. Now I show you another one for more fast. See, and I have make size change 400 or 3500, and I have make the size okay. There is on tricks there, so please watch this. There is the option, hair option, main problem, brush, any light color you can use the any light color, then brush the brush layer, and I need to portrait area, so I have brushed the portrait area. Okay, it's finished. And now deselect and some area mistake, so just normal way brush, don't worry about it. I think done, and I have hit the play button. This is selected already all in on, and wait and see, it's working. So in this time I show you where you can download this. You can download this product our shop, the creative fabrica shop, MRI Studio, and subscribe the channel photoshopaction.net channel, and shop MRI Studio Creative Market. You can find out there our all product, and some product are discount available. And also you can visit the graphics river profile, MRI Kokon, and our Adobe stock profile. You can graphics materials like designer needed or anybody needed, the all graphics type of materials we have making copyright free, so you can use our graphics there. Everything you can find there, the texture and everything. Okay, everything, any type of graphics you can find there. So okay, now I had done. You can check the download link, check the my video description. Okay, so this is the result. And if you think our position in top, we have back, see, more dark, so you can brush there if you want the effect. I just show you this purpose, and you just brush top area white color, brush, see, little you can area little brush. Okay, done. And others area watercolor painting, but this time I have used another one. See, and you can remove the area, add the area. You can use this one for soft purpose. You can use this one normally, the last one, and select this max point, and you can brush. See, now is smooth, and hair position is perfectly show. Top color is black, then you can remove area. See, the looking is very professional, and you can adjust everything. If you think, you can hide, you can add and hide another one, so it's perfect. So check out my video description for download link include, and all marketplace download link include my video description. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile, our Facebook fan page, our WhatsApp number. Thanks for purchase this product and watch this video.